Hey everyone, welcome back to WebBuddy. Today, we are diving into a head-to-head comparison between two of the hottest smartphones on the market, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro and the OnePlus Nord CE 4. Let's see how these two devices stack up against each other. Starting with design, both the Motorola Edge 50 Pro and OnePlus Nord CE 4 boast sleek and stylish looks. The Edge 50 Pro features a glass front, while the Nord CE 4 comes with a bezel material that's tough as nails. Whether you prefer the elegance of the Edge 50 Pro or the durability of the Nord CE 4, both phones are sure to turn heads. Display quality. When it comes to display, both phones offer an immersive viewing experience. The Edge 50 Pro sports a stunning OLED display with HDR10+ support and a 144Hz refresh rate, while the Nord CE 4 features a vibrant AMOLED display. Whether you're watching videos or playing games, you'll enjoy crisp and clear visuals on both devices. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Edge 50 Pro packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, delivering lightning-fast performance and smooth multitasking. On the other hand, the Nord CE 4 is powered by a Snapdragon processor, offering OnePlus fast and smooth performance. Both phones run on the latest Android software, ensuring a seamless user experience. Camera capabilities. When it comes to capturing memories, both phones excel in their own right. The Edge 50 Pro boasts a versatile triple camera setup, while the Nord CE 4 comes equipped with a powerful 50MP camera sensor. Whether you are snapping photos or shooting videos, you'll enjoy stunning image quality on both devices. Battery life and charging capabilities. Last but not least, let's talk about battery life and charging. The Edge 50 Pro features a massive 4500 mAh battery with 125W wired charging, while the Nord CE 4 comes with a 5500 mAh battery and 100W Super VOOC fast charging. Whether you are a heavy user or a casual smartphone enthusiast, both phones offer impressive battery life and fast charging options. So, which phone is the winner? Well, it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and priorities. Whether you prioritize performance, camera quality, or battery life, both the Motorola Edge 50 Pro and OnePlus Nord CE 4 offer something for everyone. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.